If your CapCut desktop layout looks messy, panels are missing, or the workspace just does not feel right, this video is going to help you reset everything back to the default layout in just a few clicks. Whether you move things around by accident or your editing screen feels cluttered, restoring the default layout can make CapCut feel clean and easy to use again. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open the CapCut Desktop application and load your project. You want to be inside the editor where you can see the timeline and workspace because the layout reset option is available from within the main editing screen. Once your project is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the menu icon. This is the main menu area in CapCut, and it gives you access to different workspace and application settings. After clicking the menu icon, move your cursor over the layout option. When you hover over layout, CapCut will show the layout-related controls for your workspace. Now click Reset Current Layout. This will return your workspace panels, windows, and editing area back to the default CapCut layout. If things were rearranged, hidden, or resized, this is the fastest way to bring everything back to normal. Give CapCut a moment to apply the changes and you should see your editor reset to the standard layout. At that point, your workspace should look much cleaner and easier to navigate. And that's all there is to it. You've now reset the CapCut layout settings to default in the desktop app. If this tutorial was useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more CapCut tutorials, editing shortcuts, or beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.